Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody Ann Barrett with your business updates for today. Barita Merchant Bank is preparing to launch Brick by Barita, its digital-first banking platform, after receiving the Bank of Jamaica's approval to proceed. Anchored in financial inclusion, the platform represents the first step in Barita's digital banking strategy. Before the official rollout, the company will conduct a pilot program. Group Chief Innovation Officer Stefano D'Ambrosio said the introductory phase is focused on widening access to financial services after research found that many people who wanted to participate in the financial system faced barriers, including living far from a branch, difficulty meeting traditional Know Your Customer (KYC) requirements, and not having the time to visit a physical location. To address these challenges, Brick offers digital onboarding designed to make opening an account more convenient.
At this point in time, a customer would be able to onboard, and we've seen this run from minutes to, in some cases, under a minute in order to be admitted into the platform. Once admitted into the platform, we're issuing a Visa Companion Card. This is a card that is issued digitally very instantly, meaning anybody can transact online the second that they onboard, but it is also tied to a physical card for those who prefer to transact with physical medium. So you would be able to use this card at any point of sale where Visa is accepted. It would be accepted at any ATM, effectively bridging the gap between the digital bank and the physical medium as well.
The research also found that customers experienced challenges moving money across the parishes. As a result, Brick has been designed to allow users to send money peer-to-peer free of charge and in real time. While Brick will launch with a core set of features, it is designed to expand over time, offering a preview of features planned for future releases. D'Ambrosio highlighted an AI-powered lending model aimed at people overlooked by traditional credit scoring.
It allows us to more clearly understand where we can extend credit reasonably, safely, and in better rates for both the consumers and the organization.
Another initiative under development is conversational banking.
So picture being able to say, hey, Stefano, send $5,000 to X person, right? Behind the scenes, the AI would be able to determine, is this the person that you're looking for, yes or no, and execute the transaction. As I mentioned, when we're doing our original research, a lot of what we came across was challenges just in using technology. So we've made an effort to make this as simple as possible so that absolutely everybody can have access to the things that we are doing.
Barita Merchant Bank is currently Jamaica's only licensed merchant bank regulated by the Bank of Jamaica. The business was rebranded from Cornerstone Trust and Merchant Bank in 2026 as part of Barita Financial Group's strategy to build a full-service financial group under a single brand. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Ann Barrett.